In this video clip, we will learn how to draw a scatter plot in R statistics using the command plot bracket x, y. To draw a scatter plot in R statistics, first of all, we have to define the data on the x-axis and on the y-axis. And the way to define the data point on the x-axis is to type x, then use the assignment operator symbol to assign the values, then use the C, which is the combine two bracket, and then insert the values or the data point on the x-axis followed by comma. For y-axis, similarly, insert y, then insert the assignment operator, which is less than and minus sign, space, then the C for combine, then the bracket, and insert the data point, the corresponding data point on the y-axis. Each value is separated by a comma. To draw the graph or the plot, then use the plot command between bracket x, y. To insert graph header and labels, use the following commands for the title and the x-axis label and y-axis label. For the title, use the command main equal to and then quotation mark. Insert in the quotation mark whatever title for the graph. Let's call it graph number 1. For inserting labels for the x-axis, use the command xlab equal to and then 2 quotation mark and insert the label within these quotation marks. For the y-axis label, use the command ylab equal to between 2 quotation mark, insert the labels, in this case distance. Here at the end I had inserted a combination of command to draw a scatter plot, give the scatter plot a title, and insert labels for x-axis, y-axis, change the color of the data points on the graph, change the size of the data points, and change the format of the data point using the commands at the below here. Plot bracket x, y, then type main equal to 2 quotation mark, xlab equal to 2 quotation mark, ylab equal to 2 quotation mark, and then color col equal to 2 quotation mark, and and then cex equal to 2, and bch equal to 6. So the col stands for color, the cex stands for the size of the data point, and the bch stands for the format of the data points on the scatter graph. To draw the scatter plot, first of all, have to define the values on the x-axis and then the values on the y-axis. So at the prompt command here, type x space assignment operator space C, open a bracket, insert the value 2, 9, 6, 10, 15 and 20. Close the bracket, hit enter. For assigning the values on the y-axis, type y space assignment operator space C, open a bracket, and then insert the corresponding or matching values on the y-axis. 9, 10, 14, 18, 19, and 29. Close the bracket and hit enter. To draw a plot, just type plot, open a bracket, x, space, y, close the bracket, hit enter. A scatter plot is drawn. As we can see here, there is no label for the x-axis, the y-axis, and there is no title, and the data point here is small. We'll change that to make it larger, and then we'll change the color of that, and we will change also the format. We'll give the graph a title and y labels and x labels. And the way to do that in one whole command or sentence, type plot, open a bracket, x, y, to give the graph title, use the main command equal to quotation marks and name the diagram as graph 1. Quotation, close the quotation, and then comma. For the labels on the x-axis, use the xlab command equal to quotation marks, call it minutes, and then comma. For the labels on the y-axis, use the command ylab equal to quotation mark, call it distance, and followed by comma. And for changing the color of the dots or the data point, use the command col equal to quotation mark, make it red, and then comma. For changing the size of the data point, use the command cex equal to 2, comma. For changing the format of the data point, use the command pch equal to 6, close the bracket. Just to double check the command here or the sentence, plot brackets x, y, main equal graph, and then comma, xlab minutes, x, and then ylab equal to distance, color equal to red, size of the font is 2, and the format of the data point is 6. Click on enter. A title is inserted for the graph, x and y label is inserted, the data point has been changed, the color of the data point is changed into a red color, the size is increased, and the format is changed. So this is the way to draw a scatter plot in R statistics